Hello everybody, Smosey back again. I'm back with a retail basketball break. I picked this up at Target, this 3-point box. I think this was $11.99, so $12. It's kind of interesting that this is cheaper than the football and baseball repacks I've seen, but we'll check it out. It says 1 autograph card, 1 mem card, and 1 hobby pack, and 3 other packs. So it seems like a better deal considering the, like I said, the football and baseball ones are more expensive. Let's see what the hobby pack is. Might be complete or something. Alright, we'll save the hits for last. Whoa, not bad packs. One pack is not the greatest. NBA Hoops. So I'm kind of surprised by the packs. Alright. Purdue, Jones, Tarpley, Kenny Smith, Jim Paxton, Karl Malone All-Star Game, Sanders, Bill Jones, Michael Jordan, 89 All-Star Game, Cool, Sidney Green, Campbell, Alex English, and John Stockton. Yeah, not a bad couple of nice cards out of there. Alright, going to move to 14-15 Prestige. Farrell, Paul Pierce, Blake Griffin, Brook Lopez, Lowry, Jeremy Grant, Ricky card, Connections, Iverson and Carter Williams, Rosen and Green. Alright, not too much in that pack. Then we got 14-15 Threads. Tim Duncan, Blake, Jackson, Century Greats, Bill Russell, Bledsoe, Derrick Rose, David Robinson, and Cody Zeller. Alright, last pack here is 14-15 Donruss. Jeremy Lin, Burks, Ibaka, Young, Waiters, Jordan Clarkson, rated rookie, Swirl-O-Rama, I think they call it, Paul Gasol Elite Series, and early rookie card. Alright, the 2 hits that are included. The first one's not bad. Andre Iguodala. It's on the Sixers jersey. Doesn't look like it's numbered. Not bad. He's a relevant guy. And Jeff Taylor autograph from Contenders 12-13. Kind of a crappy auto there. Alright, that's the box. No big hits. I like the Iguodala, Jordan, but decent packs. Better than I expected. Definitely, I think they're better than the football packs that you get at Target. So I'll probably open up another one, I have to say. I'll give another shot. Decent packs. 2 hits. That's it for this Target 3-point basketball box, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.